ideas in mind as to how to roll out this partnership, the activities and whatnot. Anong pinaka-excited ka na? So how you can divulge to us, to our media, press of the media?
Okay.
Oh.
Actually, everything is going to be really exciting because we're going to have a lot of provincial tours with MADS. So this time, I'm going to have another beauty queens, not only one, but 3 of them. So, nagsigurado na ako. This were the sobrang tiny. They were asking me, alam mo ba na sila yung mananalo? I don't know. Of course, we don't know. Nobody knows. But, that's why, totoo yun, alam mo yan. So, that's why, sabi ko, para sure, itong tatlo na lang. So that's why, first, these 3 girls were well supported as well, and I'm so happy. I also base it also on the fan base as well. So it's not only my preference. No follow-up.
But this is for your brand, man. No, seriously. So, magta-travel kayo with the queens, diba? Sabi mo kanina. Magta-travel kayo with the queens.
Oh, yes.
Tapos, so summer na ngayon, so ano naman?
With the permission of our president.
Yes.
For your brand. And of course, to our friends from media, maraming salamat sa inyong support and understanding.
Exclusive.
Yeah.
Naku, madami ng replica sa Divisory. May mga
For a lot of things that we're celebrating, so let us bring in the beautiful flowers to our beautiful days. Especially.
Okay, come.
Compress. Now, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we already know that it is her birthday on the 25th. It is their birthdays on the 25th. So, ladies and gentlemen, we invite the band to Atisa. The ladies first on the 25th. And may all of their wishes come true. Smile. And of course, Max and the listeners of this Happy birthday, Atisa! Any message for Miss Ant? Sige, prayer na lang. Okay, everybody, we're invited to please settle down. And to get into that special moment of prayer.
Hello? Atisha?